welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope everyone is doing great. So basically by title and thumbnail I hope you had guessed what the video is going to be about. Yes, you are right. The video is going to be about my parents' 25th anniversary and it's a surprise for them. Because of that I'm speaking low because they are resting in the bedroom. So yeah. So let's get started. So before moving forward, let me wish my parents happy 25th anniversary. Stay blessed, stay happy, and may your dreams come true. So this video might be little longer, but it's going to be very nice video. So stay tuned till the end, and it's going to be really fun this video also. So it's a surprise time to this amazing couple. So yeah. So before showing that surprise, I just want to ask you guys that before you start your day or your job or any kind of festivals, never mind whether it is a joint family or a normal family, the first thing what do you do? I'll tell you. The first thing we do, we take a blessings of our seniors. So with that note, please welcome the one and only Saraswati Shrestha with a family from Kathmandu, Nepal. Please put your hands together for that. Please give a hand. And basically Saraswati Fufu is my aunt. Fufu means in Nepali aunt. So yeah, so she's my father's elder sister. So with our family, here it goes. Please welcome her with a round of applause.
तिम्रो बिहाको शुभकामना छ सुमन र प्रभालाई बाबुलाई पनि मैले सोचेछ भन्नु
सुमन र प्रभाको बिहा गरेको सिलसिलामा अहिले चाहिँ धेरै वर्षसम्म राम्रो जीवन बिताइराखेको छ.
Wishing you a very very happy anniversary, Mama and Maiju.
Mama and Maiju, happy anniversary.
Mama Maiju, happy anniversary. Stay safe, stay home.
Happy 25th anniversary, Mama and Maiju lai धेरै धेरै शुभकामना.
Wishing you both a very very happy anniversary, Mama Baje and Maiju Baje.
Wishing you a happy anniversary to both of you, Mama Baje and Maiju Baje. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy.
Happy anniversary, Mama Baje and Maiju Baje. Happy anniversary, Mama Baje and Maiju Baje. Stay safe, stay home and healthy.
I hope you like this small celebration, small speech of her, wishing her and my parents that happy 25th anniversaries and all. So this language was actually a Nepalese language. So this video will be kind of different languages and all. You're going to enjoy it definitely. And one thing which I like about this video, what I did is that I didn't edit anything. The things what I edit is that only I kept myself in this frame. That's it. Everything let it be. I got it in landscape mode or a portrait mode. I didn't do any kinds of editing. As I kept my videos as it is. Nothing extra edit and anything I didn't edit. So with that note, please welcome the another member. That is my mom's sister, Saraswati Shrestha from Kathmandu, Nepal with her family. That is my mom's elder sister. Please put your hands together and welcome her.
Hi, happy anniversary. Suman and Parva duitaiलाई.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Thank you so much, Saraswati Shrestha, for presenting such a lovely message for this and for family too. Thank you so much. So now the person who's coming is that before this also one small story. So usually wherever you go, wherever you stay in the world, you need someone to talk with them. That is, let it be your friend. That you need a friend. So please welcome. Please put your hands together and please welcome Chandra Singh uncle. That is my dad's friend. Please put your hands together for welcoming him. Please welcome him.
Dear Sumanji and Babuji, wish you many happy anniversary from me and my family. Chandra, bye.
Thank you, Chandra uncle, for this lovely message. So now, again, short story time. Suppose if you have a business of travel and tourism, you must have a link up with an hoteliers too. With that note, please welcome Praveen Singh uncle with his family from Kathmandu, Nepal.
Happy anniversary,
happy anniversary, Sumanda and Bauju. We love you.
Thank you so much, Praveen uncle. Thank you so much, auntie, and thank you so much, the sweet, cute baby Ojasvi. It was a really good message and all. How did you find this, guys? Do let me know in the comment section below. How did you find this message and all? So now, the next person who is coming in off. So please put your hands together and please welcome Dikshant Malla bro with his family from Kathmandu, Nepal. So before playing the video, I want to tell that Dikshant runs a hotel in Pokhara in Nepal. So right now, due to lockdowns and all, they have been shifted for timing in Kathmandu, Nepal. From there, they have recorded this video and sent it to me.
I am Bauju. Thank you for being so loving and caring. We are truly grateful to have you in our life.
May the love between you brings you to lots of joy and happiness. Happy wedding anniversary! Happy wedding anniversary!
Thank you so much, Dikshant bhai. Thank you so much, auntie. Thank you so much, the sweet baby. I don't know really the name of this. It's really Dikshant bhai. I'm sorry, I don't know the name of your son. Sorry. So thank you so much for this lovely messages and lovely wish. So now, against the story time. So please welcome, please put your hands together for Dipendra Mukhya, Dipen uncle and Sailendra Singh, which is Mukhya family and Singh family. So before playing video, so let me tell again the short story is that actually we have the business, we do the sectors like Darjeeling, Sikkim too. To handle that part, Dipendra uncle sees that part, Darjeeling and Sikkim part, so relation. And Sailendra Singh is a nephew of Dipendra uncle, and Sailendra Singh runs a hotel in Darjeeling too. Recently opened Zipro restaurant. Do check out that restaurant. It's nearby Ramada Hotel. You can visit that shop. A very good shop. Not a paid promotions again. I have to say this because people think that I have been got paid for this kinds of promotions and all. So please put your hands together and welcome Mukhya family and Singh family. Thank you so much, this Mukhya families and Singh family. It was a really great message, and they were from Darjeeling, West Bengal, India. So now, please welcome the one and only Khadka is one, that is Manoj. And basically, Manoj is a friend of my father's. As I said before, the short story is that wherever you go in the world, you need a friend. So please welcome with his family from Siliguri, West Bengal, India. Please put your hands together.
Namaskar Guruji. Lo bhojulai namaskar. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, है? छिटो आउनु, सेलिब्रेट गर्नुपर्छ फेरि।
ल सबैजना एकैचोटि ह्यापी एनिभर्सरी
So thank you so much Manoj bhai, thank you so much auntie, and thank you so much the sweet babies or Manoj. So please put your hands together and please welcome Mahesh Parajoli bhai with his family. So basically Mahesh bhai runs a hotel in Siliguri. Please put your hands together and please welcome Mahesh bhai and his family from Siliguri, West Bengal, India.
नमस्ते, विश यू दाजु भाउजूलाई तपाईँहरूको 25th एनिभर्सरीमा सबै चिताएको कुराहरू पुगोस्, लाइफ अहिलेभन्दा अझै राम्रो हुँदै जाओस्, धेरै धेरै शुभकामना, धन्यवाद।
नमस्ते, खास गरेर मेरो प्यारो दाजु सुमन दाजु अनि मेरो भाउजू प्रभा भाउजू दुईजनाको 25th म्यारिज एनिभर्सरीको उपलक्ष्यमा म धेरै शुभकामना दिन चाहन्छु। टाढा छौँ, अहिले कोरोनाले गर्दा हामी भेट नजिक भए पनि भेट हुन गाह्रै थियो, भए पनि अब हजुरहरू बम्बेमा हुनुहुन्छ, हामी सिलगढीमा छौँ। टाढै भए पनि मनदेखि नै हाम्रो तर्फबाट धेरै शुभकामना छ। सेफ बस्नुहोस्, पार्टी सानो गर्नुहोस् है सुमन दाजु, हामी फेरि आएर गर्नुपर्छ नि।
Thank you so much, Mahesh Bhai. Thank you so much, Auntie, for this lovely message and lovely wishes too. So now, please welcome the one and only Suraksha Chetri from Siliguri, West Bengal, India. So recently I met her in January 2021. She runs a hotel in Siliguri, very nice hotel. Even Mahesh Bhai also runs a very nice hotel. In fact, they both work in similar property. And again, this is not a paid promotion. I felt I just said it. So please welcome her, and please put your hands together.
नमस्ते सुमन दाजु अनि भाउजू, तपाईहरुको 25th of anniversary को wish you many happy returns of the day. अर्को पालि सिचुएसन राम्रो भयो भने फेरि हामी सँगै यता मनाउनु पर्छ.
Thank you so much, Sis. It was a really nice video, very good video, nice one. So with that note, please welcome and please put your hands together for Tejas Bhandari. Actually, Tejas bro runs a hotel in Mumbai, and his brothers do us too. So please put your hands together and please welcome him.
Hello Dai, hello भाउजू, नमस्ते. हजुरको 25 म्यारेज एनिभर्सरी को उपलक्ष्यमा म र मेरो फ्यामिलीको तर्फबाट धेरै शुभकामना छ. दाइ भाउजूलाई यसरी नै खुसी देख्न पाइयोस् हमेसाभरि. यसै गरी नै भगवानले आशीर्वाद दिनुहुनेछ हजुरहरूको माथि. यसै गरी नै धेरै वर्षसम्म सँगै यसरी देख्न पाइयोस् दाइ भाउजूसँग. Cheers.
Thank you so much, Tejas bro. It was a really nice message and good wishes too. So now the person who's coming is next. So please put your hands together and please welcome Patil sir, who is known as Bapu Patil. And let me tell some short description before starting this video. So actually Patil sir works in a very well known travel and tour company with which our company also works with that company. So I won't say that name of the company, I won't disclose the name. So please welcome him.
सर, आपको और मैडम जी को शादी की सालगिरह की बहुत शुभकामनाएं. लास्ट 25 साल से जो आप एक दूसरे के लिए जो प्रेम रहा है, एक दूसरे को जो सपोर्ट मिला है, वो यूं ही बरकरार रहे. आप एक दूसरे के साथ यूं ही खुशहाल जिंदगी बिताएं आगे भी. Once again wish you many happy anniversary both of you.
Thank you so much Patil sir for this lovely message. बहुत धन्यवाद आपका ये अति सुंदर मैसेज के लिए. So please put your hands together and please welcome my father's friend from Kathmandu, Nepal. That is Kumar uncle. Please put your hands together and welcome him.
Hello Suman, happy 25th anniversary to both of you and congratulations, and convey my kind regards to Bauju and love to your wonderful kid, your son Nixit. God bless.
Thank you so much Kumar uncle for this lovely message, and you too stay safe uncle and stay blessed uncle. So now please put your hands together and please welcome Ravi Krishna sister uncle, who's my father's friend from Kathmandu, Nepal. Please put your hands together and please welcome him.
Suman Mulmi. Well, I've known you for past 38 years maybe, if I remember exactly. Though we went to different school and different colleges, we used to meet up after college and hang around in one of those cafes at that time. Well, though our family background differs, like he was from business community, and my dad to work for government office. We get along good, we have a lot of things in common. Like both of us, we have let's do type of thing, that. So far as I remember, he has not denied any proposal that I put in front of him. Well, so am I. I didn't even say no to a girl whom he introduced me to. Babita, my wife, and myself, we've been together till today is because of him. I was with my friends, some other friends, in a coffee shop, and suddenly he showed up. He took me to his house with no clue at all, and suddenly I saw a girl with his nieces around, and they introduced me to. They introduced me, and in a very short conversation with her, I said yes. Well, what I believe in is a true friend never deny to another friend. Well, time flies. Quite a few friends of ours of that time are in the US or some other places in the world. Maybe somewhere or other gone to heavenly abode. In 1991, I went to the US for the study, and I guess he moved to Mumbai in a year or two after I left. But no matter how far we were for so many years, we get in touch whenever we get a chance. I went to visit Mumbai back in 2009. It was quite memorable and awesome, Suman is lucky enough to have Rajshri Bhauju in his life, and so is his son Nishchit. He's my buddy now. We chat each other in Messenger, in Viber, very often. Through him, I have come to know that Suman's 25th marriage anniversary is approaching very near. I don't know the exact date though. I wish Suman and Rajshri Bhauju a very happy 25th anniversary. And I'm quite sure, I'm pretty much sure that I'll get a chance to wish them on their 50th anniversary as well. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ravi uncle, for this lovely message. It was a really heart-touching message, which I don't know in the past also. You have I have got to know about this message. Thank you so much, uncle, about my fathers and all. So now, अगर मैं अपनी mom का friend को नहीं बुलाएंगे तो she will damn kill me. So please welcome my mom's friend Anju Rajbanshi auntie from Bangalore, Karnataka, India, with her family. Please put your hands together.
Tasa Suman ale Prabhasri 25 years anniversary you lagi yukku congratulations do. Thuya lipana spinima yable he khushi jima raga ji manatuna chana. So have a wonderful celebration and once again happy anniversary. Abhi,
happy anniversary. anniversary, uncle and auntie.
Happy anniversary.
Yeah, have a really a great day ahead. Bye.
Thank you so much, auntie. Thank you so much, uncle, and thank you so much, Abhilasha, for this lovely message. So now, once again, family time. अगर फैमिली का मैसेज नहीं डालेंगे ना, काट डालेंगे भाई रिलेटिव्स वाले लोग का, पता है ना आप लोगों का नखरे, नॉट नखरे, दे आर लव, बट हमारा भी ड्यूटी बनता है ना उनका लवली मैसेज पहुंचाने का आप तक का. सो प्लीज वेलकम Suresh Mulmi, who is the elder brother of my father. Please put your hands together and please welcome him from Kathmandu, Nepal with his family. Please put your hands together.
सुमन तुलै स्पिनी मेसाना विवाह 25 वर्ष उपलक्ष्य हार्दिक शुभकामना जुगु दुनुलन सेन्स उत्तर प्रगति जिमाराका शुभकामना बिया छोना.
Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary, Kaka, Auntie. Ramrari Bosno. Stay safe.
Thank you so much, Suresh Taba, for this lovely message. And the people who did not understand which language was it, it was a Nepali language. It is the second language of Nepal, so which we speak at home. This languages is our family languages, so it was little difficult, but it will be easy to learn if you regularly stay with this types of people who will speak Nepali languages more. So next, please welcome one more sister of my father, that is Renu Joshi Fufu, as I told you before in the starting of my video, with her two lovely daughters, Marina Joshi and Luna Joshi from Kathmandu, Nepal.
नमस्ते माइजू, तपाईहरुको 25th एनिभर्सरीको शुभकामना हामी दुईजना भान्जीहरुबाट. ह्यापी 25th एनिभर्सरी. ह्यापी एनिभर्सरी भाइ बहारी. तपाईहरुको इच्छा सबै पूरा होस्. लभ यु अल.
Thank you so much, Fufu. Chung message thantal thinu ekdam bala message, lovely message, and thank you so much, my two beautiful sis, and thank you very much. And now, the person who is going to come in the next is, please put your hands together. Please welcome Janice Mulmi and family, who is the nephew of my father. So please put your hands together. And basically, we call Janice as a Nepal company, because why we say it, because every time we have it, at each and every second any new technology launches, he purchases that technology. Because of that we call it a Nepal company. Just joking, just jokes apart. So please welcome them.
नमस्ते अंकल आन्टी, हजुरहरूको 25th एनिभर्सरीको उपलक्ष्यमा हजुरको छोरा बुहारी र नातिनीको तर्फबाट मोरी मोरी हजुरहरूको लागि श्री पशुपतिनाथसँग 10 सौना जोडी प्रार्थना गरेकी छु. हजुरहरूलाई सधैँभरि यसै गरेर हामीले विश गर्नु पाइराखोस्. हजुरहरूको दाम्पत्य जीवन सुखमय होस्. अंकल आन्टी, लभ यु सो मच.
So thank you so much, Bobby, for this lovely message. जनेश भाई क्या यार, कुछ भी नहीं बोला आपने, एक सिंगल वर्ड भी नहीं बोला, ऐसा थोड़ी चलेगा. So thank you so much, Suzanne, for you too. ज़्यादा तो भाभी ने बोला. Very good message, भाभी. Very good recording. So now we are going to welcome the next member. Is that, please put your hands together and please welcome Leena Bajracharya. Please put your hands together. And Leena Bajracharya is my cousin sister, and she is the nephew of my parents. So please put your hands together.
नमस्ते मामा माइजू, तपाईहरु दुवैजनालाई एनिभर्सरीको धेरै धेरै शुभकामना. Happy 25th anniversary and congratulations. Bye bye.
Thank you so much, Leena Bajracharya, for this lovely message, for giving my parents this lovely message. Stay safe, Leena, and stay healthy. So now, the person who's going to come is, so please put your hands together and please welcome Radhika Mulme, that is my aunt Radhika Tama, and Nilima Mulme. So Radhika Tama is sister-in-law of my father, and Nilima Mulme is a sister, not sister, but is a nephew of my father. So please put your hands together and please welcome them. So much Radhika Tamha. Ekdam bala message dilo. And thank you for you too Nilema for this lovely message. And stay safe. ये जो अभी डेस्टिनेशन से अभी जो मैसेज आने वाला है, इस डेस्टिनेशन में वन ऑफ माई ड्रीम टू ट्रैवल दैट प्लेस. सो प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर एंड प्लीज वेलकम Subeksha Shrestha with her family. And I have made 2 footages of her family, because once you'll know why did I made 2 footages and all. And she's a nephew of my mom, from my mom's side. So from Australia, Canberra. So please put your hands together and please welcome them.
Happy anniversary, Baju.
Love you.
Love you.
तुमसे love you.
के भन्ने त?
मैं love you.
ल भन, आवाज भन त.
Love you. Fufu.
Happy anniversary, Fufu Baju.
Happy Fufu.
And Fufu Baju भन.
Fu.
And I will love
you.
So it was a really sweet message, Subbu. Very good message. So how did you find, guys? Do let me know in the comment section below. How did you find that it was cute and all? And the reason you have known, I guess, that why I made 2 footages of it. So now, please put your hands together and please welcome Rishu Mulmi from Sydney, Australia.
Hello Sumba and Angie. We wish you a very happy anniversary.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sis. It was a really funny and nice messages. Till then, stay safe, stay home until any necessary works and all are there, and be happy too. So now the next person who's going to come is from the Australia same, but the city is changed. Please welcome Dipinti Shrestha from Canberra, Australia, with her family. Family means only 2 of them are there. They are newly married. Only 2 years has been done of the marriage. So please welcome them.
Hello Fufu Baju. Happy 25th anniversary.
नमस्ते फुपू तथा फुपू बाजु हजुरहरूलाई यो 25th एनिभर्सरीको उपलक्ष्यमा धेरै धेरै बधाई तथा शुभकामना हामीहरूको तर्फबाट र अब्जर्भको जीवन चाहिँ सधैँ यसरी हाँसी खुसी बितोस्.
We wish you 1000 years of love. Miss you.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much DP for this lovely message, and thank you so much bro for this lovely message. So now the next one who's going to come is my sister from Kathmandu, Nepal, and she's a nephew of my parents too. And the previous which you saw, the Australian series, was all my sisters and my parents' nephew. So please welcome Regina Mulmi from Kathmandu, Nepal. Please put your hands together and please welcome them.
Hello Nisi. Happy 25th anniversary Sumba and Auntie. Hello. Hiya Sumba, Auntie Baya.
Thank you so much sis for this lovely message, and thank you so much Binaju for this lovely message. So now please put your hands together and please welcome Diva Shrestha. So basically Diva did not record a video, but she have sent me a message. Before reading out that message, I want to say that Diva and we are just friends, and we met in year 2014. We just went to yoga classes and all. Just a normal friend of her, and now she's in Australia, Sydney. So please put your hands together for her. And due to some work, she was busy. She could not record her video, so she's texted me her message for my parents. Thank you so much, Diva. Stay safe and stay happy. So now I'm going to record a message which Diva has sent it me through a text message, and this will be on behalf of Diva. So I'm ready to read out the message. So congratulations on reaching the silver jubilee of your wedding. Happy wedding anniversary. May the blessings of God be with you two forever. Thank you very much, Diva, for this lovely message which you sent me through texting. So now it's a turn to call the pillars of the companies of us, the two boys from different states but the same country. So please welcome Vivek Thapa from Siliguri, West Bengal, India, and Khem Bista from Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Actually, Vivek Thapa handles Siliguri office and Khem Bista handles Mumbai office. So please put your hands together and please welcome them.
Good evening भन्न नमिल्ला है। नमस्ते सर म्याडम, किनभने यो भिडियो कति बेला हेर्छ थाहै हुन्न। सो नमस्ते तपाईहरु दुईजनालाई, सर म्याडम दुईजनालाई। अनि तपाईहरुको यो एनिभर्सरीमा हामीसँगै नभएको कारणले गर्दा म सोशल मिडियाको थ्रुबाट तपाईहरुलाई ह्यापी एनिभर्सरी भन्दै 2500 एनिभर्सरीको बधाई दिँदै शुभकामना दिँदै तपाईहरुलाई सेफ अनि एकदम राम्रोसँग कोभिडको टाइममा एकदम मास्क लगाएर सेनिटाइजर लगाएर सेफ सिक्योर बस्नु भन्ने तपाईहरुको निम्ति प्रार्थना गर्दै म पनि यहाँ बसिरहेको छु है गाउँमा। कुनै दिन यो वर्ष त यतिकै भयो, नेक्स्ट इयर चाहिँ पक्कै हामी मनाउने छौं। राम्रोसँग खसीको मासु खानुपर्छ, सरले बनाएको एकदम दामी खालके बिहारी स्टाइलमा। र निश्चित पनि सायद अब त्यति दिनसम्म कतै बिहा पो भइसक्छ कि डबल पार्टी हुन्छ कि के हो थाहा छैन। र तपाईहरुलाई शुभकामना 2500 एनिभर्सरीको। अब कहिले भेट्ने हो सर, तर पार्टी चाहिँ बाँकी नै छ, अब खानुपर्छ यहाँ आएपछि है। हुन्छ।
Hello sir and ma'am, wish you happy 25th anniversary.
So thank you so much Kim, thank you so much Vivek for this lovely message and all. So now it's time to travel to Bhutan by this side online. So please put your hands together and please welcome Vikas Dahal with his family. Vikas runs his travel and tourism business in Bhutan. So please put your hands together and please welcome him from Thimphu, Bhutan.
सर फुल जम्पो मैडम र सरलाई सरको सर और मैडम को 25 साल को मैरिज एनिभर्सरी में हार्दिक शुभकामना छ। अब यो साल त कोभिडले गर्दा पार्टी पनि पाइएन सर, पार्टी कहिले दिने हो? अब अर्को साल 26 इयरको म्यारेज हुँदाखेरि दिने होला सरले। ल दाल फ्यामिलीबाट ह्यापी म्यारेज एनिभर्सरी सर।
ह्यापी एनिभर्सरी सर र म्याडमलाई।
So thank you so much bro. Thank you so much bro for this lovely message, and thank you sweet baby Dichen. So stay safe guys. So now again from Bhutan only. So please put your hands together and please welcome four mosquitoes in one frame. That is Purna, GX, Shravan and Arun. Actually these 4 mosquitoes run a restaurant in Bhutan. So please welcome them. Please put your hands together for them.
Namaste Suman sir and madam. Happy anniversary. Lots of love from Bhutan. Touch the day.
Namaskar sir, madam. Happy anniversary. Wish you from Bhutan. Wish you from Bhutan. Stay safe, stay blessed. Thank you.
Thank you so much Purna bro, Arun bro, Shravan bro and GX bro. Thank you so much for this lovely video. So now who is going to come is, so please put your hands together and please welcome Anil Gurung. So basically Anil runs his hotel in Bhutan, in Thimphu. So please welcome Mr. Anil Gurung from Thimphu, Bhutan. Please put your hands together.
Wish you a very happy anniversary.
Thank you so much Anil bro for this lovely message. So now please welcome the one and only my friend Pushkar Tambrakar. Please put your hands together and please welcome. So basically, Pushkar is a friend of mine who stays just nearby my residence, and basically he is also from Nepal. And right now, from few years, he's been staying in Mumbai. He has done his schooling, college, and now he's doing a job right now in Mumbai itself. So he is in Mumbaikar. He is Mumbaikar, and Pushkar will definitely meet one day once this situation gets sorted out, and let everything get sorted out, and we'll definitely make a plan and meet it out. So please welcome him, guys.
Hello, namaste. Congratulations on 25 years of marriage milestone. You have surely come a long way, and I wish you the best in the years to come. Happy 25 years of happiness, love and success. God bless you both. Stay healthy, stay safe. Take care.
So thank you so much, Pushkar bro, for this lovely message. It was very, very nice message. Stay safe and all the best for your future, bro. So and now the member which are going to come, the member which are going to come is Mr. Sanjay Singh, uncle. By profession he is doctor. If you have seen my Jambu series, because it was possible because of him only, because he offered me to go to Jambu and we both went to Jambu, and because of that Jambu vlog came out, and it was my starting of my first travel vlog. Thanks to him too. So please welcome Dr. Sanjay Singh, uncle. Put your hands together for welcome him.
Start. Happy 25th marriage anniversary, Mr. Mulni and Mrs. Mulni. All the best.
बहुत धन्यवाद अंकल आपका. अभी जो आने वाले हैं, अभी he is my mama in this sense. He is my mother's brother, elder brother. So please put your hands together and please welcome Digvijay Raj Shrestha with his family from Kathmandu, Nepal.
Shri Joy, happy marriage anniversary. तिमीहरूको जोडी सधैँ हँसिलो रमाइलो गरिकन निरन्तर अगाडि बढिरहोस्. शुभकामना. धन्यवाद.
हेलो प्राश्री जय, ह्याप्पी एनिभर्सरी. तिमीहरूको बिहा भएको पनि 25 वर्ष पुगिसक्यो है. ल निश्चित मिठो बनाएर खुवाऊ. अब मगाउन मिल्दैन होला. ल है, आज रमाइलो गर.
Happy anniversary Fufu Fufaju. Cheers to 25 years of togetherness. अब आउने वर्षहरूको लागि best wishes. May your love story never have an end. Enjoy your day. अनि हामी पनि छिट्टै पार्टी गर्न पाओस्. We miss you very much.
प्रभाश्री जय, शुभकामना. 25 वर्ष त बिहे आज हो. होला, शुभकामना नि, शुभकामना.
Thank you so much, the Mama Digvijay Raj Shrestha, my mother's elder brother, and the old person. The message which you saw right now, which video you saw, she was my mom's mom. That is my granny, my mother's mother. So thank you so much for everyone for this lovely footage, and stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you. Usually people say me in India that if you get a nice neighbor, then you are the luckiest one. So we feel lucky because we got in both the part of the India nice neighbors. Let it be in Mumbai and Siliguri. So now it's time to call our Mumbai neighbor. So with this relation, we have not only a neighbors relation, but we have a family relation, and that what makes the relation more glow. So please welcome, and please put your hands together and please welcome Robin De Silva with his family from Mumbai, Maharashtra, India. Please put your hands together.
Happy wedding anniversary, uncle and auntie.
Thank you so much, Robin. Thank you so much, Sanjana, and thank you so much, sweet Ethan, for this lovely and sweet message. So thank you so much, guys, and stay safe and stay healthy, guys. So that's it with today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and please press the bell icon, because every Tuesday at 10:30 AM I upload my videos. And do follow me on my Instagram. This is my ID. So how did you like this video? Do comment down below your views, your thoughts, and each and everything. And do comment on that also, that how many takes did you take while recording this video. So now I'll take a leave from here, and before taking a leave, do let me know how did you find this different kinds of languages of these videos. And thank you so much for our friends, relatives, families for giving us such a giving us lovely time for us. Due to COVID we cannot meet, so thank you so much for this lovely and sweet message. And special thanks for Robina D'Souza and Regina De Silva for this lovely creative ideas. And guys, I'll catch you directly on my next vlog. So till then, stay happy, spread happiness, and do whatever makes you happy, and stay safe and stay indoors. Do not go unnecessary outside until it's a necessary work. Thank you.